Picture a city alive with neon lights, its heartbeat pulsing through crowded streets. Your phone, once a tether to her, falls silent. No more texts chasing her fleeting replies. No more waiting for a sign she values you. You walk away, not with anger, but with the quiet strength of Stoic philosophy. In that moment, Stoicism women reveal a truth. Her world, once fueled by your attention, begins to tremble. What does a woman feel when you walk away? It's not just loss, it's a reckoning. A storm of emotions she never saw coming, and a lesson that reshapes your power as a man. This journey isn't about her. It's about forging your Stoic reign, a life of resilience and inner strength unshaken by chaos. Comment "I am unshaken" below to join this Stoicism motivation movement, and let's uncover the Stoic mindset that will redefine your worth. Welcome to Stoic Reign, where Stoic philosophy meets the raw truth of relationships to spark self-improvement. Today, we're diving into what Stoicism women feel when a man chooses to walk away, blending emotional intelligence with Stoicism relationships to empower you. Dating is a battlefield. Unanswered messages, fleeting glances in crowded bars, and social media games that test your resolve. Yet Stoicism for beginners teaches men to rise above, to master their mind, their peace, their emotional control. Seneca said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." This is your guide to that power, tracing 6 phases of her emotional journey through stories of modern life, with 3 Stoicism exercises to anchor your Stoicism practice. If you're ready to embrace Stoicism women and transform your mental health, hit subscribe, comment "I am unshaken," and let's build your Stoic mindset together, forging a path of resilience and personal development. First, shock disrupts her world. When you walk away, Stoicism. Women first feel shock, a jolt that disrupts their world. Imagine a lively bar, music thumping, her laughter cutting through as she flirts, knowing you're there, waiting. You've texted first, planned dates, poured energy into Stoicism relationships, but one night, you stop. No morning message, no social media like, no chasing her vague replies. You vanish not to punish, but to prioritize your Stoicism daily growth, your self-improvement. She doesn't notice at first, used to men orbiting her, feeding her ego with attention. By day 3, the silence hits. Stoicism women thrive on your energy, and your absence is a void she can't ignore. She tells herself, "He's just busy. He'll reach out," but you don't. You're at the gym, lifting heavier, or lost in a book, embodying productivity. Her phone, once alive with your texts, is quiet. She checks her social media, expecting your name. Nothing. Stoic philosophy reveals the truth. Your presence was her power source, and now it's gone. She posts a photo hoping you'll respond. You don't. Her confidence falters. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Your silence is your Stoic mindset, shaking her reality, setting the stage for Stoicism motivation to redefine your strength as a man. Second, self-doubt cracks her ego. As days become weeks, Stoicism women slide from shock into self-doubt, a phase of raw reflection. Picture her at a quiet coffee shop, scrolling your social media late at night. She sees you've shared a post, a crisp suit at a work event, a sunrise hike captioned "Peace over chaos." You're thriving, and Stoicism women feel unsettled. Men chase, she chooses. But you flipped the script, embracing Stoicism for beginners and emotional intelligence. She wonders, was I not enough? Did he move on? Her ego, once unshakable, cracks under the mirror of Stoicism on love. Stoic philosophy shines here. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Her self-doubt isn't your burden, it's her reckoning. She replays moments. That date where she ignored your text? That night she played distant. Now she's the one overthinking, staring at her reflection, questioning her charm. Social media amplifies this. She checks who's commenting on your posts, fearing you've found someone else. Jealousy creeps in, not love, but a need to reclaim control. Stoicism lessons teach men. Her reaction isn't your validation. You're building mental health, not chasing her approval. This phase is her mirror, but for you, it's mindfulness, a step toward inner strength and resilience. Third, she tests your resolve. Self-doubt pushes Stoicism women to act, testing your Stoic mindset. Picture a weekend evening. You're at a concert, music pulsing, phone off, living for yourself. She sends a message. Hey, how's it going? Casual but calculated. Or likes an old social media post, hoping you'll reach out. These aren't random. They're Stoicism women tactics to gauge your Stoicism practice. If you reply eagerly, she wins, knowing she still pulls your strings. But a Stoic Reign man stays grounded, rooted in emotional control. You respond hours later, polite but distant. Doing great, thanks. Or you don't reply, focusing on productivity, maybe sketching a new project or writing Stoic quotes. She escalates. A story view, a vague post about missing real ones. These digital moves are her battlefield. Stoicism relationships demand resilience. Seneca warned, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Her tests are noise, not truth. You're not cold. You're centered, practicing Stoicism for beginners by valuing your peace. Her tests reveal her struggle, but your Stoic philosophy keeps you unshaken, paving the way for self-improvement and personal development. Fourth, panic fuels her reversal. When her tests fail, Stoicism women face panic and an emotional reversal. Picture her at a bustling cafe, surrounded by chatter but distracted. She tells friends, "He's different now." She's right. You're not the man who chased her validation. You're practicing Stoicism daily, maybe meditating to reduce anxiety or nailing a work presentation, embodying personal development. She feels the reversal. She's chasing you. Some Stoicism women rebound. She dating a guy who adores her. Safe but uninspiring. She shares happy photos online, smiling but empty, hoping you'll notice. Stoicism on love reveals the flaw. She craves challenge, not comfort. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action." Her rebound is her obstacle, not yours. Others double down, sending nostalgic messages. Remember that night at the bar? These are traps. Stoicism. Women seek control, but your Stoicism practice focusing on Stoicism, motivation, and mental health keeps you free. Her emotional reversal is her loss, but your Stoic Reign rises, a testament to resilience and emotional intelligence. Fifth, power shifts to you. The power shifts fully to you, and Stoicism women feel the weight. Picture yourself in a gym, sweat dripping, music fueling your focus. Your social media glows. New achievements, sharp style, captions like, "Built, not broken." She sees this, and it stings. You're not just absent. You're thriving, embodying Stoic philosophy. She realizes you don't need her. Stoicism. Women respect men who don't orbit. Life demands focus, work deadlines, personal goals, the pursuit of meaning. You're grinding, maybe learning a new skill or mastering mindfulness. She messages, "Missed you at the party." You reply days later, "Been busy, hope you're good." Your Stoic mindset is iron. Epictetus taught, "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life." You're free not from her, but from needing her. She feels the shift. You're the prize, she's an option. This isn't revenge. It's self-improvement. Your Stoic Reign is unshakable, and her world adjusts to your absence. reinforcing your inner strength and emotional control. Sixth, clarity through transformation. You've outgrown Stoicism, women, gaining clarity through transformation. Imagine a quiet morning. You're journaling Stoic quotes by a window, city sounds fading into calm. You're not the man she ignored. You're stronger, calmer, centered. A Stoicism for Beginners success story. She reaches out, maybe with respect. You've changed in a good way. Or she moves on, revealing she never valued you. Either way, Stoicism relationships give clarity. Life moves fast, work pressures, social media noise, endless distractions. Stoicism daily keeps you grounded. You've traded chasing her for chasing purpose. A new hobby, a fitness goal, a Stoic Reign community online. Seneca said, "As long as you live, keep learning how to live." You're living, not waiting. She sees your growth, maybe a post captioned, "Peace over chaos." Whether she submits or leaves, you win. Stoicism. Women respect strength, but your mental health doesn't need her applause. You're unstoppable. And this clarity is your Stoicism motivation to soar, a beacon of personal development and resilience. To lock in this Stoic mindset, practice 3 Stoicism exercises daily, transforming your life with Stoicism practice. These tools reduce anxiety, boost productivity, and cement self-improvement, empowering men to master Stoicism, women. First, the truth mirror, 5 minutes each morning. Stand before a mirror, look into your eyes, and repeat, "I control my mind, not her actions." Reflect on a moment you stayed calm despite Stoicism. Women tests, maybe ignoring a vague message. Write 1 sentence in a journal. "Today I choose Stoicism, women resilience over chaos." This builds mindfulness, grounding you in Stoic philosophy. When social media tempts reaction, this Stoicism exercise keeps you centered, fostering emotional intelligence. Next, the silent forge, 10 minutes weekly. Find a quiet space, your room or a park. Close your eyes and visualize Stoicism. Women tests. A "hey" message, a flirty post. Imagine responding with silence, not spite. Breathe deeply, feeling Stoicism on love's power. Journal. Her actions don't define me. This Stoicism practice forges resilience, like steel in fire, aligning with Stoicism for beginners' clarity. In a world of noise, it's your mental health shield, strengthening inner strength and emotional control. Finally, the flame ritual, 15 minutes monthly. Light a candle in a dark room. Write a past moment you chased Stoicism, women validation, maybe a desperate text. Burn the paper saying, "I release what I cannot control." Visualize your Stoic Reign rising from ashes. Journal, "I am enough." This Stoicism exercise channels Stoicism motivation, turning pain into purpose. In life's hustle, it's a productivity reset, ensuring Stoicism daily growth and personal development. Stoicism, women don't define your worth. Stoic philosophy does. Life tests men, relationship games, work stress, endless distractions. But Stoicism for beginners offers clarity. Control your mind, not her heart. You're not just a man. You're a Stoic Reign, unshaken by fleeting validation. Marcus Aurelius said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." Choose Stoic mindset. Choose self-improvement. Choose you. If this resonates, comment, "I am unshaken," below. Let's build a Stoic Reign brotherhood. Share your Stoicism practice journey online with Stoic Reign. We'll feature the boldest. Hit subscribe to join thousands mastering Stoicism motivation. Share this with a friend trapped in the chase. Together we'll spark mental health and productivity. Your Stoicism relationships journey starts now. Be unshaken. Be unstoppable.